Good morning. Got an easy 2-pallet drop. Customer wants it in the backyard. I got a kind of an RV gate, so we'll see what happens. So far looks okay. But I do have 2 obstacles to miss at the curb here. Since I gotta hop the sidewalk, gotta make sure your stanchions are up. And I got a utility thing here, and I got a box right here in front of me I gotta miss with my red tire. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, since they're taking a second, and I got a smaller pallet, I'm just gonna stack it on top. While they're fiddling with the gate, I can do more work. So I'm also watching to make sure they don't have something that's gonna poke my back tire when I get up to the gate. You gotta watch those posts sticking up. I already talked to the husband, he's at work. Said his wife will be here. Looks like she's about ready to leave. Alright, so let's see how this picks up. Should be alright. Well, like I said, I gotta miss this obstacle with my right tire here and my back tire. I'm gonna put my differential lock on for the curb climb. Alright, so that's good. Good. Now let's see what we got in the ground here. Okay, the pole is really low. Alright, should be good. Just fit. Over there. Is that good? All right. That's it. Now I just got to wiggle my way out. I got to get a picture real quick. We don't need a signature. All right. You're very welcome. All right. Now, I follow my tire mark. I still gotta miss that thing on the curb. Alright. There we go. I don't know if you can see it or not, but my tire marks are on both sides of that. that great, whatever that thing is. But I did run it over. It looks just like a drainage thing, but still, our goal is not to break anything. So, anyways, that's it for this morning. Nice, easy one. A little tight, but it's okay. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe if you're new. Want to see more deliveries or Moffett training like this, and then give me a comment if you'd like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.